So we in previous session we have seen that how to download and install Zotero. So see, when you install Zotero on your machine and add the plugin, you will get a link here. That is, here is the link which provide all extensions installed in your browser. Just click on it. Here you will get Zotero connector. So as the icon is not showing here, just click on this, that is pin, and now you will get an icon of Zotero here. So save to Zotero. So now Zotero is online. So when you will try to search a paper and simply click on it, it will ask you to perform like Zotero connector is there, so that what you want with that particular paper. So now let's understand the Zotero interface. So here is the icon which appeared on the browser. Next we have Zotero interface. So it is the interface of Zotero. You can see various parts are there, like this particular parts include all the libraries panel, like it will contain all the folders. Like if you want to make folders for different category of papers, then use this particular part. Then we have the second, that is the resources panel. So it will contain all the books, all the pages that will be stored in particular Zotero folder. It is simply like a folder or a Windows Explorer part in your Windows machine, that on the left side a folder is there or drive is there, and when you click on that particular drive or folder, you will get the related content or the all content which is saved in that particular folder here. So now as you can see, this particular interface is of 3-column interface, and each column does a different function. So now here is the metadata panel. So it basically contains information about your resources, like when you add this particular resource in your machine, or the date, time. So these particular things will be included in this part. Next we have if you want to create Zotero library. So for that, what you have to do, you can see a link here, that click the folder with a plus sign, that is to make a folder. And suppose if you want to provide a name, like here I'm providing like the sign thinking, just simply provide the name of folder and click on OK. So it will create a kind of library folder in your Zotero interface. So let me show you this thing in particular Zotero part. So here is the Zotero interface. So here is the folder that I have, that is fake newspaper, and if it is that it is already selected, so all the related papers to this particular folder shown here. And when I click on this particular paper in this panel, simply you can see the details related to this paper is shown here. So it is the simple interface. And if you want to add like new folder or want to make a new library kind of, so just click on it. So it is asking you for to add the name of that particular collection. So I'm just writing text my name and click on OK. So here you can see a folder is added here.